Thank you, Pesticide Free Balerno, for not using chemicals.
Thank you! Thank you!
Thank you for coming to Addison Crescent and manually removing the weeds without any chemical additions. Thank you very much.
We think this is a really great initiative, and it's so lovely to see volunteers out in the street actually doing weeding. My son Ewan has lots of allergies, and while I don't think the chemicals are necessarily responsible for that, it's just one additional thing to worry about. So we very much support the Keep Balerno pesticide free, and we hope that other communities around Edinburgh feel the same way when they see that something like this can really work. So thanks to all the volunteers.
Thank you to Pesticide Free Balerno for not using chemicals. We need this for the environment and the planet.
Thanks so much for weeding without using chemicals.
Today, thanking these women for getting rid of all these weeds which could be full of chemicals, which is not so good for our animals. So keep it up. I'm so pleased that the council is interested in our dogs or cats, any animal, because believe you me, I've heard a lot of stories about dogs that are dying with cancer.
Thank you for doing the weeding without chemicals, and I'm more than happy to lend you my brown bin, fill it for your boots.
Support Pesticide Free Balerno, and I'm glad to see you're doing something positive about it.
Thank you for Pesticide Free Balerno, protect the little ones.
And the big ones.
Thank you to Pesticide Free Balerno. Anything we can do to get rid of pesticides from the environment, the better. Thanks very much.
Thank you very much for weeding without chemicals. Balerno is now green and pretty and beautiful.
Pesticides to save animals. Hopefully you extend it to Curry, I live in Curry. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Pesticide Free Balerno for collecting our weeds without using chemicals.
This is a great idea to have Pesticide Free Balerno, and hopefully they'll carry it on to Curry as well, because pesticides are so bad for the environment, and there's so many ways that we can actually do things to get rid of weeds, etc., without having to use pesticides. So for animals and people, it's a good idea not to use pesticides.
Thank you.